Danke bafethu. So Talent Mbatha ukhulume ethi icoach le ehamba eOrlando Pirates uRivero inspire kanjani nanokuthi ichange kanjani igame yakhe yabo in terms of just ibhola nje. So bekhuluma laphana ku conference uthi akaze alidoubt italent lakhe nanokuthi umuntu bethemba ukuthi one day vele izinto zizokwenzeka ngenhlanhla ke vele zenzeka izinto yabo. Uthi for yena ucoach influence kakhulu ngendlela adlala ngakhona le uyabona ngakhona ibhola. Uthi akacabanga ukuthi bekungenzeka ukuthi maybe from omunye ucoach lento leyenzeka la ku coach Rivero yabona. Uthi for ucoach ukuthi asukelene overseas aze la eSouth Africa azocoacha lokho ekuba inspire kakhulu and baya believe ukuthi nabo one day bangakwazi ukudlala overseas yabo. So lo mdlali lona Orlando Pirates sekabe one of the most important players ku Orlando Pirates na bafana this season ngoba for the past 2.5 season uRivero ekhona la Orlando Pirates ama players afana noMbatha ufike last Orlando Pirates but bakwazile ukufike Orlando Pirates bajoine nanokuthi ba compete kahle for i-team. uMbatha is one of the most trusted players laphana ku midfielder Orlando Pirates. Sikhumbula ukuthi uMbatha uke waba nenkinga ku Orlando Pirates ngempela bamsuspenda but ucoach ngokubelievela ema-playing nanokuthi uyawanika ama-player ama second chances yabo. Wakwazi ukuthi amnike ulokhu njani uMbatha nenye chance ukuthi akwazi ukuziprove yabona going forward. uMbatha wabuya eteamini bheka manje udlala kahle kanjani secontribute ngempela kuOrlando Pirates this season. So coach ngempela ishape career kaMbatha uye vele ucoach futhi lona onike uMbatha ama opportunities amaningi because after le incident yakhe neOrlando Pirates involve utshwala nanokuthi uze training kanjani ngasikhathi bamsuspend omunye ucoach bengekaphinda umdlalisa umdlalo onjalo yabona. So ucoach ngempela uyishapeile impilo kaMbatha nanokuthi ukwazile ukumsiza nje ngama departments are different in terms of how he can look at the game and nanokuthi uzodlala kanjani yabo. So yeah man, you have to look at the Orlando Pirates this season. They've done well, they've already won a cup. Yeah, I think this one just kokugcina after ulo njengoba sewina ama cup ay5 Jose Rivero, I think makanga edalele lokugcina and then i-farewell yakhe in a way yabo. So yeah, so shout out to Mbatha what he has done this season for Orlando Pirates and shout out to Jose Rivero ngokuthi akwazi ukuphinda futhi amnike ithuba yabo. So ucoach Orlando Pirates sekathe abanalo i-bad team bona eteamini yabo yabo. Uthi ngeke aqamba amanga uthi obviously ba prepareile vele this week not only for ilokhunjana ifinal nje kuphela yabo. So uthe bekumele badlale ama games ay2 in 3 days between those games. So uthi ngeke ba control situation and the way izinto ezenzeka ngakhona bona which is i-management nama players nanokuthi phela iPSL irana kanjani yabo. Uthi today bokuyi first time uRedo Pane and uMadiba and no Kivuli ukuthi badlala first time ku starting 11. Uthi ke bokuyi second time for Buthelezi lapha no goalkeeper Orlando Pirates edlala yabo. So uthi isquad sabo si different ne depth i different. Uthi since day one bamanenjile vele ukhompyutha for wonke competition le abakuyo with dignity. So uthi ke basazoyenza lento basazocompete for even i-league until the end of the season yabo. Uthi kunama player amaningi and uthi unama player amaningi futhi yajabula and ready ukuya and alwele noma defender ama player noma ba ready futhi nabo ukulwela i-team yabona noma ngabe obani abadlalayo but ke ama options maningi kakhulu yabo. Uthi abanayo i-problem Orlando Pirates uthi akusiyi headache yabo. Uthi opportunity for bona ukuthi basebenzise ama player different because banama resources vela different yabo. Uthi njengoba simbonile i-player laphana ku midfielder leli laseKongo belidlala ukuthi lidlale kahle kakhulu maybe meqhubeka edlala kanje in the next match angasithola vele sidlala. Uthi into ebaluleke kakhulu equality in terms of a football player ne team yabo. Uthi lonke iplaylist squad le Orlando Pirates balapha for a reason. Uthi abanayo ama bad players bona. Uthi wonke umuntu una something to contribute to the team. So uyasho uthi there's always the right opportunity for everyone. Uthi ngeke phela ube 100% fair to isquad esinama players ay37, so kumele babe patient ngama player abanawo yabo. So uthi you have to keep working, ube professional, ube patient ukuthi wathola amathuba ukuthi udlale yabo. Uthi laba badlalile today kusho ukuthi bekhuluma after game against the Golden Arrows, uyasho ukuthi baziprovile nanokuthi ubanika more headache ukuthi like baphakamise izandla ukuthi bayafuna ukudlala kuSoweto Derby. Uchaza lokho ucoach Orlando Pirates. Danko.